Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and Assalamu alaikum everyone. I'm here with a very warm welcome on behalf of Organizing Committee of 16th Annual Conference of Pakistan Society for the Study of Liver Disease. So once again, our team has put in a tremendous amount of effort to design a very high quality scientific conference, and we aim to create exciting opportunities to get updated about the emerging trends in the management of the liver diseases, which are very pertinent for your daily practices. And for that, experts from throughout the world as well as a large number of national faculties are joining us to deliver very exciting talks. So lots of opportunities are created for our young scholars, and we receive large number of abstracts, and you will be excited to know that 110 scholars will be presenting their research work during the conference. They will present their scientific work, and they will be having an opportunity to win exciting prizes, including the Best Poster Presentation Award, Best Oral Presentation Award, as well as the Best Case Report Award. And 18 teams from throughout the country are excited to play PSSLD hepatology quiz competition and to test their knowledge. And everything is designed for you. So we are looking forward to welcome you in our 16th Annual Conference of Pakistan Society of Study of Liver Disease. And I'm Dr. Amna Subhan, Chair Organizing Committee and the Vice President of Pakistan Society for the Study of Liver Disease. Thank you.